In this video, I'm going to show you how to make TikTok photo edits on CapCut. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we want to do is open up CapCut. Once it is opened, we want to go ahead and, because you'll be on the edit section, you want to click onto templates. And now at the top here, we've got following for you for TikTok, etc. I suggest using for TikTok, and you can have a look at all the different templates here. And if you want to filter down these templates, we can go ahead and click on the filter button, and you can choose by number of clips. So we've got 1, 2, 3 to 5, 6 to 10, etc. So for this one, I'm just going to choose 6 to 10 clips, and duration, I'm going to choose 0 to 15 seconds, but you can make it longer if you like. And also you can add some features here. So if you want to use smart template, click that, commercial use or pro. If you want to try pro for 7 days for free, I will leave a link in the description below. All right, once that is all said and done, go ahead and click on apply. And now these are the templates we can pick from using our filters. And on each template, you'll see the little pair of scissors and a number. So this template here has been used close to 100,000 times. This one around 5,000 times. So yeah, just go and have a look at all the different templates. There are some real cool trending ones as well in here. So yeah, pick out which one you want to do. So I'm going to choose this intense edit here. Once you've checked it out, you can go ahead and click on use template. And now I'm going to pick up to 10 photos or 6 items, sorry. Below here it says select 6 items, so I'm going to choose that one, that one, that one, that one, and that one. And I need one more, and that one. Once I like that, I'm going to go ahead and click on next. And once you've clicked next, you will see the finished product. And if you don't like the audio, you can go ahead and choose a different track. So go ahead and click on audio. And if you've got a video inside your camera roll or your phone, go ahead and click on extract audio from that video, and CapCut will go ahead and do that and use that audio. Or you can go ahead and click on add sound, or you can choose recommended below here. So have a play around with that. And now once you like your edit, go ahead and click on export. And then it will have an option, export without watermark. But I suggest before you export, choose your quality. So at the moment it's at 480p. Go ahead and at least click 1080p or 2K 4K. So I'm going to choose 1080p, and it will say the estimated file size 20 meg, and then go ahead and click on done. And now I'm going to click on export without watermark. And now it's exported to TikTok for me. So now I'm going to click on to next, and now put a description in. So I'm just going to do, say, Wednesday Adams, add some hashtags, and then go ahead and post. I'm not going to post this on my TikTok. This is just for demonstration purposes.